What is the backbone of millions of websites around the world? They were built using Drupal, the free open-source content management system. It's leading a digital transformation across industries. From one hub to many, simple to complex. With swift page loading and ease of content editing, multilingual capabilities, and rigorous security, Drupal is the platform that performs. 70% of universities use Drupal. Media rely on Drupal for extensive delivery of content. Governments count on Drupal. Finance and commerce sites need Drupal for security. Tourism destinations bring their clear waters and mountains to life on screens using Drupal. Are you marketing for the future? The next billion customers of digital experiences will probably never have a personal computer in their homes. Drupal scales video, audio, and text to all devices. Work from a centralized content hub. Stretch your strategy across sites and channels. Whether it's one site to many, or simple to complex, Drupal is the building block. Choose help along your journey with our partners. Dream big. Drupal will get you there.